Hey there, how are you? I know, a couple minutes late. Sorry. I'm here though. Just making sure things look like they're supposed to look. Let me know when you're here. I hope everybody's having a great week. It's Thursday. Yay. It's been kind of hectic this week here, but we didn't get any snow today. And I've been listening and it sounds like things might be looking up. Maybe light at the end of the tunnel for some of the people suffering through these storms and crazy winter, so I'm praying for that. And I thought we would talk a little tonight. So let me know when you're here. Hey, Susan. Okay, so I'm doing, the last few nights I've been just like, I'm just sticking with something simple. I've got some, I told you about my picker husband. Well, he came in this morning with a milk crate full of some really cool things, and I can't wait to play with them. I've got some coffee pots and some pans, and I don't know, I gotta figure out what to do with them, but we'll be playing with some found objects this week too, this next coming week. But this week we are going to use the board and base. Let me bring you down. Oh, I thought you were upside down. This is upside down. Okay, so I'm going to use my board and base. This is like a universal surface that you can use with lots of different items. I'm working with, this is the house patterns. The house patterns are the ones, they're behind me. They're these. They fit the house shapes right here. We've done a few with those. Well, what if you don't have the house shapes? I wanted to do two of the things from that transfer collection. We're going to do Home Sweet Home, and then these sweet little tags. We are going to put a door on it. And I was going to look through other ones, but I decided to just keep it simple, and we're going to go with a little heart on the top. All right? Okay. So that's, oh, I need a color for the heart. Let me get that while we're here. Well, I think guava might do. All right. So here we go. Hey, Becky. How are you? All righty. Please share this with your friends, although in Couture we call it sprinkling. So sprinkle away and let them know that we are hanging out tonight. It's 8 o'clock every night except for Friday night. And Friday I'm going to do it at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I know some of you might be working, but I thought I would give that a try. And then we'll see. And then the weekends I'll pop in when you least expect me. So I am going live on this Facebook page that still says Cricut, and I can't convince Facebook that I don't do Cricut anymore. It's okay. We're going to be calm. So that's why I'm putting that in the title, so no one is disappointed when they get here and don't see a machine. Okay, so I'm talking and I didn't tell you what I'm doing. These are adhesive-backed silk screen transfers. I know. And the adhesive can be a little bit much sometimes. So when we first peel it off this backing, they're reusable, so we're going to save them. When you peel it off of here, you're going to do something called fuzz, and that just means lay it down in a towel and pick it up again. Then what's nice about it is it's super easy to reposition it. I want this over here. I don't want it centered. Okay. And I am going to use my white. I do have a ton, but I do keep washing. I do. I have 6 more that I haven't used yet. I love these. They are going to be gifts for everyone I know. But I do have more too. If you look behind me, you can see some of the ones from this week. Well, oops, that was my hand. See, here's the one from last night. And then Live in the Moment, and then Inspire. So ones I liked, I kept. I put my hand in the wrong place, sorry. Okay. So we're going to go with our white. Oh, hold on, before I do it, I'm just thinking, would it look better if I went this way? Let's try. Bring this over here so you can see. So, because we can go this way. And then, because this guy's going to stand up here. I don't want to attach this to it. I just want it to be here. So this could actually fit right here nice. Maybe that'll be it. All right, and we haven't done one vertical in a while, so let's do that. Alrighty. So that's the beauty of these. Just move them around. Oh, and if you don't like it, yeah, just spritz it and wash it right off. And start again. All right, so then you're going to take your paste, which is the consistency of sour cream or yogurt without fruit, and then you just drag it on down over the silk screen. And when you get done, you can go back and scrape off the excess. It's the perfect consistency, does not bleed under my silk screen. It's awesome. Super simple. You just scrape off the excess here and put it back in the jar so you don't waste any. Right? You just want to make sure that you don't have any ridges or lines. All right. And then, oh so slowly, peel and reveal. So you're going to slowly pick it up. Ooh, it looks so good. Right? And then I'm going to take this, not now, I'm here with you. When I get a sink put in here, I will be a happy girl. He's telling me I can't have one. I'm going to take this into the sink when we're done and rinse it off and use, I have this, it's called a board sponge, if I bring it over where you can see it. Goodness. And it helps to kind of clean off the front. The white's not tough to get off at all, but sometimes if you have one of the brighter colors like that raspberry, they kind of stick a lot. Okay, so I'm going to let you dry right over here, and then I'm going to work with this and my door. And I want my door right in the middle, but kind of down near the bottom, right? I just keep thinking, maybe I should put something else on the top. Let me see what I have that I might like. I have a lot of things in here that could work. I wonder if I can do grateful. What's great too is you can mix and match them. You don't have to stick with just that one item. All right, so here I'm going to change my plan. I'm going to put grateful down at the bottom. Nope. Yep, I'm going to do grateful. And then my door above it. So grateful is going to go right here. And I'm going to use my, this is sage. And again, just squeegee it on. And the excess goes back. And then you pull this off, right? Super cool. And then I'm going to dry it just a little because you know me, I'll stick my thumb right in the middle of the G. I don't have to because I'm not going on top of it, but I guarantee I'll stick my finger in it. And it only takes a second to dry it. Okay, and now, so anybody got any big plans for the weekend? No? I mentioned earlier in the week, it's our wedding anniversary tomorrow, but, you know, clearly we're not going out. So we probably wouldn't be going out anyway because we're old, but dinner might have been nice. Somebody else cooking it. It's a little bit of a letdown in that last year we happened to be on a cruise this time of year. We were one of the fortunate ones that actually took a cruise at the beginning of the pandemic and were able to get home. We arrived home on March 3rd. So we were pretty lucky. Seriously, see how easy that is? I know, thank you. 44 years. We're old. I married him when I was 5. Okay, so there's that. And then I'm still going to put the little heart on here. And I'm going to go kind of sideways. All right, let's see what we can do. You guys over here. Whoops. Yeah, today he brought me home the bucket of good stuff. Really? Oh, how exciting! The girls went, they had a private gymnastics lesson yesterday. They had just started gymnastics. They're 5 and 3, so, you know, they're not off to the Olympics. But they had just started, and they loved it when we had to shut down last spring. And so the gym has been closed all along, but they just decided to try these private half hours just with family members. So the girls went yesterday and they are delighted. So now they want their friends to do it. We have this one family that basically they're the only family that the girls have seen, and vice versa. So they're going to go tomorrow. Thank you, everybody. Yeah, excited. All right, so let's see. We'll peel this off, and then I got to figure out how I'm going to attach this. That looks great. I love it. All right, let's see. That's wonderful. I'm so glad that you can see him. Do they live near you? Clearly they live. Oh, I remember, Becky. Your daughter lives right around the corner. Perfect. All right, so these little tags come with this great twine. Right, that might work. I think I'm going to use the twine at the top. And then, I mean, I can use a glue gun too, but a glue dot might work. You're right. Well, let's give that a try and see what it does. I want some little wooden beads. I ordered some because clearly going to Hobby Lobby is like an all-day adventure here. I don't have one. It's an hour away is the closest one. And in another state, and I can't do that right now. So, yeah, I ordered them. But those would look good on here too. See, that's where I want it to go, is like right there. I only have mini ones, but let's see what they do. Right? It's different. It's not the same that we've been doing. I do have the glue gun right here, so maybe that'll happen. Well, let's see what happens if this will do it, because it can sit right here. Yeah, that worked. Ta-da! Right? Super cute. And super easy. So I did mix and match. This is all from the house. The Grateful one is from this whole collection of super cute minis, and you just cut them apart. I have 1,000 things I want to use them on. So I've used these a bunch. And I love that this has grateful, thankful, blessed on it so that you can just pick one word. That works great. I'm thinking of doing a garland with these guys that would go across the bottom of my shelf that's behind me. But anywho, thanks for coming tonight. I really appreciate it. I love when you stop by with me. And if you're free tomorrow at 3, I'll be here. If not, I'll see you sometime over the weekend or right back here on Monday night. Becky, best wishes for our little black belter. Can't wait to hear. Is he really getting a black belt and he's fought? No, his first belt. So is it yellow now? And he's going to go to orange? It's been a long time since we had karate in our family. But we did. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, everybody did karate. I was stopping to think. Everyone did it. Ryan, my number 2 son, did it the most. And he went as far as brown and then went off to hockey. All right, you guys, have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye.